Hello and welcome to this quick guide. In today's video, you'll learn how to use the Kayak Price Check feature on your Android phone. This tool helps you find better travel deals by comparing prices from screenshots of other apps or websites. It's a great way to save money on flights. First, open the Kayak app on your Android phone. Next, tap the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, scroll down and tap on Kayak Price Check. Now, should we have a screenshot you previously captured from another travel app or website? After that, tap Upload Screenshot. Now, click Continue when prompted. Choose the screenshot you have. Finally, Kayak will scan the image and search for cheaper or similar travel options automatically. And that's how you use Kayak Price Check on Android. It's fast, simple, and can help you spot better travel deals easily. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech guides.